Memory means your brain's ability to hold onto things. Your brain is constantly receiving a huge amount of information from the environment. Think about it: how many reels you scroll every day, how many videos you watch, how many conversations you have. Every single second, your brain has to decide which information is important and which should be deleted. Imagine thousands of books placed in front of you. If you try to put all of them into your brain at once, it's simply not possible. That's why the brain works like a filter. This is why it's extremely important to understand how memory actually works and how it can be made stronger. If you truly want to improve your memory, watch this video till the end, because the 5 actionable steps explained here can take your memory to the next level. So let's begin. 1. Use focus at the right time. First, understand that focus is not a permanent state. It isn't constant, it comes and goes like waves. Sometimes you feel super active and absorb information quickly, and sometimes even after studying for 10 minutes your mind feels blank. This means you should learn to work during your most productive time. That's why studying in sessions of 20 to 25 minutes greatly increases retention. Memory gets consolidated, and you remember more in less time. I personally used this strategy during exam studying in small time periods with short breaks in between. The result was higher retention and less stress. 2. Testing or self-quiz. Test yourself on whatever you've just read or watched. Don't just reread, quiz yourself. For example, instead of passively remembering what is the capital of Pakistan, ask yourself and try to recall it. This puts your brain into retrieval mode. The prefrontal cortex tries to pull data from the memory bank, and this retrieval process strengthens memory. Ask yourself questions, take a paper, and write whatever you remember. During entrance exam prep, I used to quiz myself on the whole day's topics, and my retention became unbelievably strong. 3. Break big things into small parts. If you try to memorize a huge chapter all at once, the brain won't be able to store it. The solution is to divide the chapter into small parts. First learn part 1, then part 2, then part 3. Once 3 to 5 parts are done, revise them together. Slowly, the brain starts treating them as a single unit. This is called chunking. It works on the same principle as packing items efficiently. 4. Use multiple senses. To strengthen memory, 2 senses are the most powerful: eyes visual memory, ears auditory memory. For example, while remembering the points from this video, you're watching and listening. You can activate a 3rd sense: 2 hands touch. For example, write a comment or notes. Writing involves your hands, and multisensory learning makes memory many times stronger. So whenever you learn something new, visualize it. Create mental images. Speak it with rhythm or beat. Write notes. This helps you remember what you studied for a long time. 5. Recharge your brain. Attention cannot stay high continuously. After every 20 to 30 minutes of study, take a 2 to 5 minute break. But the most important thing is sleep, because memory is actually stored during sleep. Whatever you study during the day gets properly organized and stored while you sleep. Not just sleep, exercise is also very important. Physical activity helps produce a protein called BDNF, which strengthens memory in the brain like cement. Information is like bricks without cement, they will fall apart. So make sure to do some physical activity daily: walking, skipping, cycling, push-ups. Anything works. I hope this video was genuinely helpful for you, especially for students preparing for exams. If you liked the effort behind this video, like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment.